Hello everyone. Today I am going to start chapter 2, that is fractions. You must be knowing what is fraction and you have done addition subtraction also of fractions. Now first start with the topic what is fraction. Fraction any number written in the form of a by b where a and b are natural number is known as fraction. This a where a is called numerator of fraction and b is called denominator of fraction. Clear? So if I have any number of the form of a by b, then that number is known as fraction. Let's see, take some example. 2 by 7. So here numerator, this 2 is numerator and 7 is denominator. So this 2 by 7 is a fraction. Okay, now see here definition I will show you. What is fraction? The number of the form a by b where a and b are natural numbers are known as fractions. For example, 3 by 5 is a fraction in which numerator is equal to 3 and denominator is equal to 5. Clear? Now coming to types of fractions. Now I am coming to types. Second topic is types of fractions. Now we have 9 types of fractions. 9 types of fraction. So first type of fraction is decimal fraction. First is decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called decimal number. For example, see here 3 by 10, 27 by 100 or any number of this form whose denominator is multiple of 10. Means if the denominator of any fraction is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, then such fractions are known as decimal fractions. Now second, just opposite of this decimal is vulgar fractions. Second one. Vulgar fraction means a fraction whose denominator is not multiple of 10. Means whose denominator is not 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. So for example, see a fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000 is called a vulgar fraction. See here examples are 2 by 9, 4 by 13, 27 by 109. Since here denominators are whole number, it is not 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000. So such fraction whose denominators are not multiple of 10 or in other words whose denominator is a whole number, such fractions are known as vulgar fractions. This is our second type of fraction. Now you come to third type of fraction. You must have studied this proper and improper. You must be knowing proper fraction. See, third type. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator. Means numerator is less and denominator is greater. For example, 3 by 7. See, 3 is less than 7. Numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. One more example, 5 by 11. Numerator is 5, denominator is 11. Means numerator is less than denominator. Just opposite of it, this proper fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction means any fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator. Means numerator will be more, greater than denominator, and it can be equal to also. See for example 11 by 7. So 11 is greater than 7. 11 is greater than 7, means numerator is greater than denominator. 25 by 12. 25 is greater than 12. 41 by 36. 41 is greater than 36. We can take equal to also, 11 by 11, 25 by 25, 41 by 41. So if numerator is greater than denominator or numerator and denominator are equal, then such fractions are known as improper fractions. Now coming to mixed fraction, fifth type of fraction, mixed fraction. From the name only it is clear, mixed. Mixed means it is a mixture of two things. So a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction, means which is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. See here, 1 whole 3 by 4. So 1 is a natural number and 3 by 4 numerator is less than denominator, so it is a proper fraction. So combination of natural number and a proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. Now coming to a next type of fraction is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means equal fraction. So if any fraction is given, if I have any fraction and I multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Say for example, if I have, if I am taking, suppose I have 2 by 3. I have to find equivalent fraction of this number, this fraction. So I can multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So after multiplying by the same number, what I get? 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So 2 by 3 is equal to 10 by 15. So the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 is 10 by 15. I can get by dividing also. See here, if I have 10 by 15. Now here what I will do? Both are numbers are multiple of 5. So I will divide it by 5. I will divide numerator and denominator by the same number. See what I get? 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the equivalent fraction of 10 by 15 is 2 by 3. So the equivalent fraction of any given number can be obtained by either by multiplying with the same number or by dividing with the same number. Clear? Now next type of fraction, seventh type of fraction is unlike fraction. From the name only it is clear, unlike. Unlike means different. So fractions whose denominators are not same, such fractions are known as unlike fraction. See for example, 2 by 5, 5 by 7, is denominator same? First is having denominator 5, second is having denominator same. Since the denominators are not same, so these two fractions are unlike fractions. We can have more than 2 also. Now eighth type of fraction is like fraction. Like fraction means a fraction having the same denominator. See here for example, 5 by 14, 9 by 14, 11 by 14, etc. Means all the fractions, all the three fractions have the same denominator, 14, 14, 14. So this type of fraction having the same denominator are known as like fractions. Numerators can be different, but denominators cannot. Now the last type of fraction, ninth type of fraction is irreducible fraction. Irreducible means a fraction in lowest form. So a fraction a by b is said to be irreducible if HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. If the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1, then it is said to be in lowest form or in irreducible fraction. Clear? Now you have done in the class 6th also addition and subtraction on fraction. So here I have done some questions, very easy questions. You have done in class 6th also this 2 minus 3 by 5. Now the method is, see here, 2 minus 3 by 5. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Now I will take LCM of 1 and 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 only. So 5. Write the LCM. Now LCM will be divided by denominator and the answer will be multiplied by numerator. See what I am doing? LCM divided by 1. I get what? 5. Then this answer will be multiplied by numerator. So I will get 10. Here 10. See, again follow the same method. Divided by denominator and multiplied by numerator. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Multiplied by 3 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. As I have told you, whenever in addition, subtraction or in anything, any integers, previous chapter also I told, if your answer is improper means numerator is greater than denominator, always change the answer in mixed. So in rough I will divide this number, 5 ones are 5, left with 2 only. So written in mixed form, I can start with quotient, then remainder and divisor. So 1 whole 2 by 5. This will be my answer. So here I have done some questions based on the same type, similar type. First step is find the step 1 is find LCM of denominator. Second step, LCM divided by denominator. Step 3, answer of step 2 multiplied by numerator. Clear? This 3 step you have to follow. You have done in class 6th also. So see here some questions I have done. Second is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. Then third is 4 plus 7 by 8. Fourth question is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Clear? So with this I am ending my topic, addition and subtraction of fraction.